Hi everyone, welcome to Extraordinary Taste. I love the simplicity of these fried noodles. All you need is your favorite noodles, vegetables, and green onions. It's hard to believe that the soy sauce mixture could add such wonderful aromas and flavors to the noodles. Let's first start it by preparing the sauce for about 6 ounces of dried noodles, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 2 teaspoons of dark soy sauce to add a deeper color and flavor, half to 1 teaspoon of sugar. Do not add water to the sauce. It will make the noodles soggy and reduce the smoky flavor resulting from caramelization of the sauce. I like the convenience of using dried noodles. 3 pieces, which is about 6 ounces, is a good size to stir fry. Home stoves are not strong enough to stir fry too much at a time. Cook the noodles in a large pot of boiling water to wash out any excess starch. Because we will not rinse them in cold water afterward, you should be able to loosen the noodles easily in about 1 minute. Cook until the noodles become soft, but spring back slightly when stretched. This takes about 2 to 3 minutes. Drain in a colander. Loosen the noodles to allow steam and heat to escape. Do not rinse the noodles in cold water. It will make the noodles soggy and hard to stir fry. Mix in with 1 tablespoon of oil to prevent the noodles from sticking together. Air dry the noodles for about 15 to 20 minutes. I use 12 ounces of bean sprouts for 6 ounces of noodles. It's optional to pick off the leaf and root for a nicer looking dish and better texture. Rinse thoroughly under cold water and drain. If you don't have bean sprouts, cabbage and onions are pretty good substitutes. Heat 1 tablespoon of oil. Add the sprouts to the pan. Saute over high heat for about 1 minute. Do not overcook. You want the sprouts to be cooked but still crunchy. You may also add some salt now. Take it out and put it in a colander to drain off any excess liquid. Julienne cut 4 to 6 green onions. We are now ready to put everything together. Heat 1 to 2 tablespoons of oil. Use a set of tongs or a pair of chopsticks to spread the noodles evenly and stir fry them over high heat. Stir fry until the noodles are hot. This takes about 2 minutes. Add the soy sauce mixture a little bit at a time and toss continuously until the noodles are evenly coated with the sauce. Then add the bean sprouts and stir fry for another 30 seconds. Add the green onions. Toss everything together and it's ready to serve. Sprinkling some toasted sesame seeds on top adds an extra layer of flavor and crunch. Yes, you can make these fried noodles at home and the taste is the same as the restaurants. Thank you for watching. I will see you next time.